What's up with it, y'all? Y'all know what it is, greedy for bucks. So I went to the range the other day, and remember the last video I just uploaded, I told y'all the screw in my safety selector came loose. And if anybody else had went through that issue with that particular firearm, not thinking of it, I tightened it back up, not thinking I should have put some of this on there. So I didn't, but I'm at the range, I'm running through the range, pow, 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 pow. I upload the video. I think I did it as a short already, but I uploaded at the end of this video, just in case if I didn't. I don't feel like looking, I'm just gonna do what I do on my phone real quick, put them together, upload it. But yeah, so that happened. So I had to go get a new safety selector because I lost the screw in the safety selector on my right hand side. And I'm gonna put this on because hey, put it on. Make sure I get it done. I'm gonna do it today. It just sucks because I'm riding it out and pow, pow, pow. And it didn't happen in the video that I'm gonna put on the end of here. I'm just gonna upload that video. It's just got a little bit of video of me shooting. So that's it. That's all. Y'all know what it is. Greedy for the bucks. Enjoyed a little bit of shooting I just did.
It's really cool, isn't it? That thing is crazy. It's my little brother that I'm trying it out. Yeah, I'm trying out. He's got the AR 12 gauge. Yeah, it's pretty nice to meet you. Hey, oh, I don't know. Yeah. I mean, especially new guns that you're not familiar with. Yeah.